pogo stick, a blanket, blueberries, or the mystery Mouseketool?
Can you eat a pogo stick?
That's silly.
I once ate a hubcap. Tasty!
Ah, Goofy. What can we feed baby Redbird? Blueberries, right. We got ears. Say cheers!
Cheers!
A pogo stick, a blanket, or the mystery Mouseketool? What will keep baby Redbird warm? A blanket, right! We got ears. Say cheers!
Cheers!
A pogo stick and the mystery Mouseketool.
Definitely the pogo stick.
Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure. Look! Ouch!
Well, I don't think a pogo stick works here.
Me neither.
Ooh, that means it's time for the mystery Mouseketool. Everybody say, mystery Mouseketool.
Mystery Mouseketool!
What's today's mystery Mouseketool? A slide, right! We got ears. Say cheers!
Cheers!
Can we use the pogo stick to jump up to Mommy Redbird? You betcha! We've used all our Mouseketools. Say super cheers!